Hi, this video is a part of Data Visualization with Python playlist. In this video, I'll explain drawing of scatter plot and then annotating it using Matplotlib. This notebook contains different types of visualization, but this video is about scatter plot. So first of all, we load the dataset. This is a Canada immigration dataset where we are interested in different countries immigrations from 1980 to 2013 into Canada. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is that we want to clean the dataset. What is the purpose of scatter plots? Because we want to find out the trend of different immigrants from 1980 to 2013, how it is changing, whether immigration to Canada is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing, then how it is increasing. We want to visualize that. So for that reason, we'll be using scatter plot, but we need to transform the data accordingly. So the first thing that we are interested in is finding out the total number of immigration for specific years. So these are total number of years from 1980 to 2014. We extract out the data for each year and sum it along zero axis. So this will give us the values for each of the year. Then we'll convert the index to integer, because the year is currently the year is used as an index, so it will be converted to integer. And once it is converted to integer, then we reset the index and we set the column names to be year and total. And then once we have done that, this is how the data frame will look like. So for each year, we have the total number of immigrations stored in this data frame, df underscore tot, so df underscore total. Okay, now what we will do is for finding out the trend, we want to fit the line to the scatter plot. So for fitting the line, we have a simple function of numpy dot polyfit, and given x and y, and we want to find out the degree. We want to fit the line of degree 1. So that is how we will fit the line. Once we have fitted the line, it will result into these two terms. These are weights. One is intercept term and the another one is slope term, if you know about line fitting. Okay, that is not the important part, but still it will be really cool visualization once we fit the line over the scatter plot. Okay, now we will use data frame's internal function plot, and this plot function is in the backend using matplotlib functionality. And there are different parameters. One of the most important parameter for this plot function of data frame is kind. This kind can take different values and arguments, and because we are interested in scatter plot, so for that reason we are using this scatter as a value for kind. Then what should be in the x-axis and what should be in the y-axis, this is what we are inputting here. This x is equal to year is actually the name of the column that we want. This is the name of the column of this data frame that we want to use on the x-axis, and this total is the name of the column of this data frame that we want to use on this y-axis. Then this is the figure size that we want to use. This whole figure is having size of 12,4. We can also change it. Okay, then this color is equal to dark blue. This is the color for each of the dot in the scatter plot. Then we write out the title, the x label and the y label for this figure. Once we have done that, this is just writing out the title, label, x label and y label. And this plt is actually matplotlib.pyplot. We have imported it as plt, and then what we will do is we call this plot usually. So then we will above this scatter plot in this figure, we want to plot a line, and that line is a fitted best linear regression line, kind of a linear regression line. And this is the formula for that, where x-axis is a value of x-axis, the y-axis is actually the fitted line having this formula. This is slope. The first argument, the first term is slope, which is multiplied by the input x and added with the intercept term. And we say that the color of the line should be red. And once we have plotted that, then we want to annotate this scatter plot. And how do we do that? First of all, we will tell what do we want to annotate. This is what we want to annotate. Number of immigrants is equal to this dot format function is kind of taking in input from this arguments. This is a function. This format is a function to actually input the value into the string. This is a quite fancy way of inputting values from this variable directly into the string. So fit 0 is actually the slope term and fit 1 is basically the intercept term. So this is what we have written, we have annotated here. But where do we want to put this annotation and this text? We want to put it in the position at the point where x value is 1993 and y value is 125,000. So this xy point is where this annotation will start writing, and the font size should be of 12. And once we have annotated this plot, then we'll show it by using this show function. And this is how we get this annotated scatter plot.